All right, guys, we got Garrett here. He's going to do a '07 little retro football break. Contenders and classics. Good luck to you, buddy. I'll start off with the classics here. Should get 3 hits out of this stuff if memory serves me correctly. So this is back when they got a checklist on top, too, because the redemptions don't actually have name on them. All right. Here we go. And this is bringing back some old names here. Tavares Jackson. Terrell Owens. I was going to do it as a draft your hit collector's hobby. I've got a Marvin Harrison Monday Night Heroes parallel. That's numbered 11 of 25. Algie Crumpler. Wow. And we got a classic singles insert. Dan Marino. That's numbered to 1,000. Not short printed. It means that I'll randomize a draft order, and then everybody from the break's going to get a hit. So nobody will go hitless in this. Autograph. Who is this? Rufus Alexander. Well, it's a Viking. Not the Viking we were looking for. It's numbered to 999. Base pack. Devery Henderson. Saturday Stars insert to 250. Corey Dillon. Timeless Tributes to 100. Rookie Robert Meacham. Actually, one of my best friends is like the Robert Meacham Super Collector out there. It's numbered to 599. I think he sold his entire collection though. Bob Hayes, Legendary Players to 1,000. Lawrence Timmons, School Color Signatures. Florida State. That's numbered 14 of 25. Those are actually pretty tough to hit if memory serves me correctly. Peace. Ronnie Brown, membership insert to 1,000. Sunday's Best, Carson Palmer to 1,000. And Jim Brown. That's a nice legendary jersey. It's number 87 of 250. And base. All right. On to the contenders portion. Where's good old Percy Harvin? He re-signed with Buffalo for like the last game of the year, last 2 games of the year. I think he might have retired again. Alright, Contenders portion. Come on, AP. Autograph, Dallas Baker. Legendary, Don Perkins. It's numbered to 100. This is 07. The Adrian Peterson, Jamarcus Russell, Calvin Johnson, Brady Quinn rookie year. Marshawn Lynch is in this too. Ted Ginn Jr. Playoff ticket, Trent Edwards. Numbered to 99. What happened to Jamarcus Russell? Jamarcus got addicted to the purple drink. He was out of the league in like 3 years. Matt Spade and Johnny Lee Higgins. Round numbers to 1,000. Autograph, Dwayne Jarrett. Dwayne Jarrett. Where was Dwayne Jarrett from? Who can tell me? USC. Trojan man. That's right. And autograph, Marcus Thomas. No relation. Tony Romo. Poor Tony. Lenny Moore, legendary. To 1,000. Sidney Rice. Roll call. Now there's a bust. And our last pack. Finish with is freaking Demption. Are you kidding me? Rookie ticket, card number 219. Selvin Young. Good old Selvin Young. All right, Garrett, I appreciate it, man. Thanks for taking a trip back down memory lane there. That was pretty fun. I'll get it packed up and out ASAP.